Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. So it's not rocket science, right? It's supply and demand. When on holidays and other times of year when you've got higher demand, you can charge a little bit more. People will pay it. Now, I know some business owners, they feel bad about it. They don't want to gouge people, and that's a totally noble sentiment. You don't have to triple your prices, right? You could increase them by 20%. Think the way that I think of it is, look, this is a holiday, right? You could be home hanging out with your friends and family, but you've chosen to be available for your customers so that they can be home with their friends and family. You're making a sacrifice so that they don't have to. And I think most people think of it that way too. They're willing to pay a little bit more around holiday times. So I encourage you to just go ahead and increase your prices by 25% for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Halloween, etc. People will pay it, and you'll make a little bit more money. So even better if you've got a system to automate that for you. So I've created a short video that shows how you can automate the high demand pricing and date-based pricing with the ERS system. So feel free to watch that if you like by clicking on the link in the corner up here. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.